Hello, I'm Cecile from Reflexology. I'm going to show you a simple technique to do for end of pregnancy and also to help for the uterus to go back into its shape after giving birth, and also for period pains when you've got lots of cramp in your uterus. You can either do it standing up or sitting down. So what we want to do is actually rubbing around this area of your reflex point of the uterus. Here, so you get one foot and rub against the other one. There is no right or wrong about how long you want to do it. You will find this quite soothing, and sometimes it feels a bit tender. Tenderness is quite normal, especially when you're standing up, but with the pressure of the end of pregnancy especially is more intense. There's no right and wrong on how long you want to do it. Yourself, you will know what's right. Remember, the intention of self-health is more powerful than trying to looking at the time and say how long you need to do it. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you and to know how you're getting on. If you have any question, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Any question you can be sent via my website, Reflexology.